Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down to find other security settings, and as you can see right here we've got the whole section of the credential storage, and here we've got the clear credentials almost at the very bottom of this list. So let's simply tap on it and tap on OK. As you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been raised successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on clear credentials again, which simply shows us that for sure we removed the certificates. What's more, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually that's all. This is how to remove the certificates from your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.